Okay, bridge too far. I was hoping to set up a wireless keyboard for you. I'm going to go ahead and send it with you, but for some reason it's not synchronizing. The way you would synchronize it is you would press settings. It is a Bluetooth device. So you'd select, you'd select Bluetooth, and then you click on Bluetooth preferences. And then again, it's going to you're going to pair a new device, and then from there you would add it. But for some reason it's not working right now. I'm gonna go ahead and send it anyway. To turn on the device, you just press right here on the side until you see a little green light pop up. You see this little green light, and you also will know if it's on by if you click on the caps lock and the green light shows up. To turn it off, it'll actually power down by itself. It can just hold this down until you don't see the green light, and then you can just press that until you are sure that you don't see the green light. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you is how to apply power to recharge your device. So what you do is, this is the USB-C, and what you do is you just plug it in here, and then when you do, you're going to get an indicator light up here that you're actually charging. So that's how that works. If you have to, and you're not saying you have to, but if you do have to, if you want to charge this, it's really interesting. You just pull this top off, and then right here is a USB port. And so what you'll do is you'll take the black one and you make sure that it matches. So you basically go space to space, and you just plug it in like that, and then you'll see a red light here that will indicate that it's charging. And that's basically all you need to know about this device. If you want to just go ahead and turn off your device, there's two ways to do that. You can go ahead and just press this button here, like we talked about, or you just do that, and it's just turned off, and then again it will turn back on once you open it. And that's your tutorial for you, Pop. I hope you enjoy this, and feel free to type away. Oh yeah, one last thing I was going to show you. And when you go into landscape mode again, so if I'm in landscape mode and just swipe up again, go ahead and close this, and I want to type something. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, here's a free pad. So basically for just typing, I would just use this as a regular typewriter. So as you can see, you know, it's not quite a full size, but it's on the screen. You can just type like that. Again, it's a QWERTY, so it works the same way. So hunting and pecking shouldn't be a problem. You don't necessarily need a keyboard, but I am leaving it with you anyway. All right, Pop, love you much. I hope you enjoy this and talk. Oh, and also, last but not least, I keep on forgetting, as I am adding some items here for you. These are clean supplies, so you can go ahead and clean up the surface of this. It's no big deal. However you want to do it, just open them up, and just, you know, it basically is like a wet wipe. I normally like to close the applications just because it drives me crazy seeing them kind of messing around. So there you go. Just turn it off. Just clean it off. You can get rid of your fingerprints, and there you have it. If ever you spill something on it, it shouldn't be a problem. It is pretty resistant to it, but if you have to get behind it to open this case up, it's Velcroed like this, and you can just pull this back flap out, and then the whole device will slide out of the sleeve. Okay, now I'm officially done. Love you much, Pop. Enjoy this. Thanks.